If you fancy having some extra cash in your wallet without leaving your home, you're at the right place. Hi, I am Nancy. I'm the founder of CareerViews.com. I'm a career consultant, a blogger, a YouTuber. I follow my passion and have different professions or money-making options because I've always believed that there is no harm in utilizing your talent for a side hustle. I have been a full-time recruitment consultant, but my heart used to always tell me that follow something that you really enjoy. I really enjoy sharing my career tips and giving you an option of making money without getting into 9-to-5 grind. So without any further delays, let's start today's video, which is about legit ways of making money online. The top on my list is becoming a content provider. You can become a freelance writer. There are a lot of demand of quality content on Fiverr.com, Upwork, Zelancer.ae. So different countries have different portals, but Fiverr and Upwork are the most sought after, where you could sell your content. The second option is sell your photos. If you believe in visual storytelling, and you live in a place where you can click great pictures, make sure you capture them in your camera and put them out for sale. So how does photograph selling work? Photographers generally upload their pictures on any of the databases. That allows magazine owners, entrepreneurs, good companies who have a website and interest in those pictures, they can buy them. A good thing about stock websites is these photos could be sold n number of times. Some of the websites to check are Shutterstock.com, PhotoShelter, and Getty Images. Let me know if you have sold photographs before, how your experience has been. The third on my list, create an online course. The world is going digital. A lot of people are looking for upskilling or reskilling. If you have something that you could offer to your audience, make sure you create a world-class course out of it. If you are an expert, make sure you put some time and effort in designing a course. Like you could check out some courses at Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable is a good website to check out on how to create an online course. One can make good amount of money by making how-to videos. YouTube is a place which is most sought after for the people who are non-readers, who like to see and understand how something is done. Create how-to courses, create makeup tutorials, create cooking videos. You could create how to use YouTube, how to earn on YouTube, how to use Canva, how to find right courses for you. There are n number of how-to videos that could fetch you a good amount of money. So YouTube is something that you must check out. You could get some cash out of used book. If you have a good collection of books, you could set up your rental library or you could sell the books itself. There are a lot of readers out there who are looking for specific books. You could make your own rental library out of the books that are already in your collection, or you can start selling the used books. If you are an expert who doesn't like to step out of the home to earn money, you can start teaching online. There are a lot of students looking out for tuitions these days. Teaching online is a great scope. Even if you are a musician, you can start teaching online guitar, online piano, or imparting your knowledge on a specific subject. These things could help you having a decent monthly income. The next one on my list is creating your own podcast. Turn your interest into something that pays off. Podcasts are the next big thing. All you need is a microphone, a laptop, and a free recording software. There are a lot of ways to make money out of a podcast. The most common one is a commercial sponsorship. You can also use a podcast as a platform to advertise your own products and services. If you are a techie, set up a content development business or a content promotion. If you are a housewife sitting at home scrolling through social media all day, you might consider becoming a social media manager for somebody. Offer your services to promote someone's business. If you love creativity, selling handmade art is an option for you. You can design some of your products and sell them through Instagram or Facebook. Both the portals allow users to message and reach out to you directly. You can make some decent income with some of your handmade products. If you speak more than 2 languages, translating is something that could fetch you a very good amount of money. You can work as a translator. Tie up with organizations who are looking for translating services. You can always set up your rate per word, depending on the place you are living in. Check out this option if translating words into cash sounds appealing to you. You can consider becoming a freelance proofreader if you have too much attention to detail. Proofreading is one of the most lucrative online careers. Most of the organizations pay around 25% of the price of a translated document. You can charge by per hour or you could charge by the document. Set up your rates, do some research or how much is the charge in your area for proofreading. You can work full-time, part-time, it totally depends on you. But it's a very good way of making money online by proofreading some documents. The next on my list, which I also do, is creating a money-making blog. I'm a blogger. I have a blog by the name of outdoorswithnaina.com and I have another career blog on my website which is careerviews.com. Do check them out. I place Google AdSense on both of my blogs and I get paid on per click. You can always set up a blog which generates good amount of money. After putting in all your hard work, you can always monetize your blog or work on sponsored posts. Another way is having affiliate marketing on your blog. Whichever works for you. A blog is a good money-making resource. Have you ever tested a website to make money? Believe it or not, websites pay you if you just provide them a feedback on their website. There are some websites like undertesting.com who are always looking for people who could test their websites and provide a feedback. All you have to do is sign up and see how much cash you could generate by testing a website. Another good way of making money online is tapping into ebooks business. If you want to create your own ebook, you can do so by using Canva or any other online software that allows you to create your ebook. Otherwise, there are some published books which you want to convert into an ebook. Take a license of book conversion and you can always sell those books online. LearnWords is a great resource for creating and selling online content. Do check it out. If you like to help others, consider coaching. You can become a life coach, you can become a wellness coach, you can become a Reiki healer, you can become anything that you like to do. And there is no need for you to be physically present. You can offer all these kinds of coaching online. You can find thousands of courses online on how to become a coach. You can additionally do some certifications that would make you a certified course. If travel is your area of expertise, you can even become a travel coach. So be ready to set up your charges, which could be hourly basis, monthly basis, or whichever works for you and your clients. And think about coaching as a serious business. Another good way of making money is become a surveyor. I'm talking about online surveys. Add the website QMEE on your browser. If you click on the right answer for the search result, you'll get money. You can also earn some good amount of money by doing surveys of on QME. and sharing your opinions about certain brands. Some of the more survey sites are Survey Boards, Valued Opinions, and Survey Junkie. So consider doing these surveys in your spare time and make good cash out of it. List your property on Airbnb. If you are somebody who wants to make additional income out of your apartment or your property, you can always list them on Airbnb. Nothing like if you're living at a place which is tourist friendly, like eco lodges. Have an advantage of eco-friendly tourism and generate good sum of money out of it. Audiobooks are getting very popular these days. If you speak really well and you enjoy reading and listening to stories, consider creating your own audiobook. There is an increased demand of freelance narrators who could read stories. Bookroit.com is a website that might help you in understanding how to become an audiobook narrator and generate money online. These were some of the legitimate ways to make money online. I hope you found them useful. Do try them out. I'll be leaving all the websites I've mentioned in the description below. Do check them out and share this video with anybody who might need it. Let me know what are the alternate career options you've been thinking other than your 9-to-5 job, or what are your side hustle options. I would be very glad to hear about them. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to Career Views for more career tips. Thank you for watching.